Hi guys! Today, let's talk about something close to our hearts. Filipino values. Kasi hindi lang ito basta tradisyon, kundi parte na araw-araw ng ating pamumuhay.
Cleaning with care means doing the act of cleaning not just for ourselves but out of concern for others and the environment. And Filipino values, this reflects sa pakikipagkapwa-tao, treating others as fellow human being, and bayanihan, working together for the common good. When we clean with care, we show respect, discipline, and responsibility, values that Filipino uphold in caring for their homes, schools, and communities. It reminds us that cleanliness is not only about order, but also about love for others. Because a clean environment benefits everyone. Bukal na puso sa pagtulong sa mga nangangailangan means helping those in need with sincerity and a pure heart. This reflects what the Filipino values of pakikipagkapwa-tao, seeing others as equals, pagmamalasakit, genuine concern for others, and bayanihan, unity and cooperation. It shows that Filipino values compassion, generosity, and kindness, especially towards the less fortunate. By helping wholeheartedly, we strengthen the spirit of community and live out the Filipino belief that caring for others is a shared responsibility.
Hello everyone. Keeping our school environment clean is crucial for our health and well-being and academic performance. At taking small steps, we can maintain a clean and healthy school environment that support learners and well-being. Let's take pride in our school environment and work together to keep it clean and make it beautiful.
The pagmamano is a traditional Filipino gesture of respect, primarily shown towards elders. It involves bowing to an elder and gently pressing the back of their hand to one's forehead while saying "Mano po."
Hi po, tita! Happy birthday! Meron ako konting regalo. Pasasalamat lang po ito sa mga nagawa niyo para sa akin. Salamat, tita! Mano po?
Utang na loob, that in a Filipino is a value of emphasizing a deep sense of gratitude and obligation to those who have helped or shown kindness, often extending beyond simple repayment.
So ayun guys, Filipino values make us who we are. Maalaga, magalang, disiplinado, matulungin, at mapagpasalamat. Kaya ipagpatuloy natin to araw-araw. Ikaw, anong Filipino value ang lagi mong ginagawa?